Today we're going to be having a look at the Sony Xperia 10 Mark II and what it has or maybe doesn't have to offer us. This was actually released in early May, so let's jump straight into it. I'm just going to start unboxing this one I've got here. So obviously in the top you've got the device itself. It does come with a screen protector on the front of the phone, as well as this plastic kind of casing as well, just to keep it a little bit more protected. Underneath here you've got your instruction leaflet and kind of a manual on how to set up the phone, so you've got that all stored in here. And then underneath you've got all of your accessories, so you've got your USB plug just here, and then you've got the Type-C USB cable as well, which is 1 meter long. And then also you've got here your Sony earphones as well. The wide FHD plus 6-inch OLED display features video image optimization, so it allows you to be fully immersed in your favourite films or videos, which is what the original content provider actually intended. As you can see, the colours are incredibly rich and natural, with some deeper blacks in there as well. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 mobile platform with 4GB of RAM also gives you the performance you need for the latest apps and games. However, because of the 665 Snapdragon, it does have quite a slow shutter and focus speed. The Sony Xperia 10 Mark II has a triple camera, so there is a lot of room to get creative. It features 26mm wide angle, 16mm ultra wide angle and 52mm telephoto lenses, so it really does allow you to capture stunning images even in low light and up close. The camera automatically will adjust to the settings conditions to complement the photo as best as possible, so for example skin tones will look natural in all photos. The 10 Mark II has an 8-megapixel front-facing selfie camera with an 84-degree wide angle and a range of different beauty effects. You can record high-quality movies in 4K, offering 4 times the resolution of Full HD, so you are definitely ensuring that you capture every single detail. It also comes with steady shot smoothing out movement for shake-free videos that you can share with your friends instantly. The long-lasting, high-capacity 3,600 mAh battery will get you through a busy day. It has adaptive charging technology to help maximise the battery health for longer by monitoring your phone during charging. This ensures that it isn't being overworked or overcharged. You can also monitor how long you can expect your remaining battery to last for on the settings of your smartphone. The Sony Xperia 10 Mark II unfortunately doesn't have face recognition to unlock the device, but it does have a fingerprint sensor. The sensor is mounted on the right-hand side of the device on the unlock and lock button. If you press firmly, the phone unlocks instantly, or if you just want to view your lock screen notifications, just hold your finger on the sensor without applying any pressure. In the time that I've been testing and trying out this device, the sensor has worked every single time. The phone itself does look and feel really nice with its curved edges and the light 151-gram frame. However, I personally didn't feel confident in using this phone without a case due to the large screen being difficult for me personally to navigate around. Nevertheless, Sony have incorporated a really handy one-handed mode. This definitely gave me some extra confidence. The device does have some protection with its full IP68 water and dust resistance, as well as the Corning Gorilla Glass 6 on the front and on the back of the phone. Overall, it is a great smartphone, especially for its price at only £319.99, including VAT. This is available to purchase from Clove Technology now, so feel free to shop the link in our description to order yours. As always, thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.